Okay, this should be a typical sewing machine. And as you can see, you have the dial for the length of your stitch, and you have SS means stretched stitches, and you have this old yellow, and the regular stitches you have all this blue, and here that you can select A, B, C to J, and here it's just the tension of your top thread, and on the top it's all similar things. You can have your bobbin filled up here, and the problem with this sewing machine is that the needle here, so you can see, is always on the left side. If I do a little bit, you can see. So you can select a different pattern here. If you select A, it should be in the middle. So we are setting at A, and you can see the needle is not at the middle. So it's on the left side, whatever you do. And if you set it to the zigzag, so we have the zigzag, suppose which one we should set, C, D, E, F, G, let's set to G, and we can have set it to G. Okay, it should be here. So we set it to G, and supposedly when you turn, the needle should be left and right, because this is going to be a zigzag pattern. So there's something wrong with the needle movement, and so if you give a little bit of pressure, I'm doing this, so you can see the needle moving. The needle can be moved, and if you put a little bit of pressure, so you can see I'm using the hand, so you can see now it is left, and then now so it is onto the right. So I'm using my finger, give a little bit of pressure, so that will be okay. So there must be something wrong, some spring missing or inside, or something can't hold it to that way. So we can find out what's wrong. And to open the machine, you have a screw here to take this cover off, and you have two screws here under the handle to take the top cover off. So I will leave the camera and take this 3 screw out. Now I have take the screw out. You see this cover, and we have the screw left here, one for the side cover and 2 for the top cover. So that's 3 screws. So we take this side cover out, so you can see we have something inside where we'll have a closer look later on. So on the top, you can see the screw here taken out and screw here taken out. So we can take the whole top cover out. So just leave them there. And inside we can see, and here we have a lever here, and this would be controlled by this pattern thing. So when you move to the different stitches, and it will hold, it will control movement of this arm. So we can set different pattern here. So if we set a zigzag light later on, when we set it to G, and the movement you can see here, so you have the movement, you have the space to move, and the pattern plastic pattern thing will restrict how far the needle can move left or right. So there must be something missing here. You can see there's a spring here, and if there's any spring, no. So on this side we have the bulb. We have the bulb here. If there's anything missing. Okay, you can see here we have something. This could be a spring. You see, it's my finger here. The spring. So it's mislocated here. So if this spring, the plate, compress this one, the things will change. So this one hold by a screw, hold the bulb holder and this. So we can unscrew this and put this spring back to press this needle control. So the spring here, and we move it to this arm, and I think that will solve the problem. Okay, I will do that with my two hands. Okay, just have another look. I have closed the curtain and I'm using a light. So here is the bulb holder, and it's holding by this screw, and also that plate spring also held by this. So it must be sometimes loosen and somebody tighten this, but didn't make this spring to press the needle rod here. So we have to replace this and make it press, make it always presses this needle arm. So and then things will change. So we can do that now. Now I have realigned the spring. So you can see the bulb holder here, and the spring from here fixed by this screw, both the for both the bulb holder and this spring, and it's pressing the needle rod here. So we can see now we are putting still at the zigzag pattern. So if I turn, you can see the needle movement at the left. So that's right. So left, right. So now it's working very well. So what rest to do is that you just put that top cover to screw, and the side cover one screw, put everything back. Okay, that's the video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.